guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl No Fury, and I'm coming back to you with another video. In today's video, we're going to be discussing my influencer goals. Basically goals that I have for myself, being a YouTuber, being an influencer, things that I want to reach this year. And yeah, we're just gonna sit and chat, and I'm gonna do my face. Let's get into the video. Okay, let's get started. Let's just prime our face first. I'm gonna use my good old tried and true Too Faced Hangover Setting Spray. And for primer, I'm just gonna use the ColourPop Pretty Fresh, which is like my go-to combo anyway. If you guys been rocking with me. Did my eyebrows off camera. Use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow, and to make them stay, y'all are gonna look at me like I'm crazy, I used the Elmer's glue stick to make them stay in place, and they look so good today. So okay, let's get into my actual list. So I wrote like pinpoints. I really want my platform to be a space for military spouses, preferably young ones, just because it is a little bit harder for us, and I can't really speak for, you know, more mature women, especially ones that have been, you know, married for a long time. I can't speak for y'all because I haven't been married that long. And then I also want this to be a space for people who love beauty, and then I also want this to be a space for alternative girls. I've really been stretching that as of right now because I never see myself as girly or like prissy or anything. I've always been very alternative. I like black. I like all different types of music, rock, screamo, hip-hop, rap, all types of stuff. I like anime. I don't know, I just always considered myself very alternative to the next girl. So I definitely want a space for people like us, because I definitely feel like we're looked over a lot, especially girls that look like me. Kind of heavy set, dark skin. I don't really, you know. Anyway, let me get into the base. For foundation, I'm going to use the Too Faced Born This Way foundation, and I'm going to use my stippling brush. 2 good old pumps, maybe 3. I like using a stippling brush now because it gives me more like, it gives me an even layer, but it makes it thinner as well, so it doesn't look like I have on a mask. Concealer of choice is the ColourPop Pretty Fresh Concealer. I also want my platform to be very, very big. I definitely want my platform to be as big, if I can, bigger than Jackie Aina's. I love Jackie Aina's influence in the beauty industry, you know. She is literally so talented, smart, and marketable. And she actually really cares about people in the industry. A lot of people bash her just because, I don't know if it's because she's so high up or she doesn't speak on every single issue, which she doesn't have to, but a lot of people talk down on her, but she's helped so many young black people in the industry get to certain places. And the thing is, she doesn't announce it. I like that, because I hate people that announce that they're helping someone. If you're gonna help someone, help them because you want to. Don't help them because it's gonna make you feel like you did something good for once in your life, you know. But I definitely want a platform as big as Jackie Aina, and I definitely do think that I can do it. I'm manifesting it. I don't know how. I don't know how I'm gonna do it, knowing that the YouTube market is so saturated right now, but I definitely feel like I can stand out just because, you know, my personality, the way that I am. It's going to be harder for me just because, honestly, I feel like it's going to be harder for me in a lot of ways just because of how I look. I feel like I don't look marketable. I don't. What you see as marketable today is thin or thick, but in a curvaceous way. I mean, I don't want to say lighter skin because things have changed. We do have dark skinned people now in the makeup industry, but I'm heavier set, you know. I'm heavier set. A lot of people now are doing like the Fashion Nova thing, Savage lingerie stuff, and I'm just like, I don't know if I could do stuff like that. I just don't feel like I'm marketable, but that's a conversation for a whole nother video. I plan on making a video talking about why I feel like I'll never fit in on Instagram. That's for another video. I definitely want to help people that are in my shoes, people that feel like they aren't marketable, people that feel like they don't belong in this space. I want to help people feel like they do belong by being one of the first ones to make it that look like me. I feel like the closest person that kind of looks like me and reminds me of myself in the industry, the closest one would probably have to be like Alyssa Ashley or her twin Arnell. I really like the both of them. I feel like they're like the perfect balance of each other. Both funny as fuck. I definitely want to help people that are in my shoes. I want the next alternative girl, the next heavyset black girl, the next girl that, you know, doesn't have friends, that's an introvert, that's antisocial. I just want them to know that there's a space for them to, you know, come to, and, you know, there are other people like you out here. I don't know, maybe I'm thinking too deep about it, you guys, but anyway, I definitely also want to create a business within my platform. Like, I want to sell something, preferably makeup related. I do have something like in the works right now that I'm working on. It's not like set in stone yet, but I have really big thoughts and plans for what I want to do. And I hope that it comes, no, I know that it will come to fruition. And I've been manifesting, planning, praying. I know everything will work out for me. It's just hard being young, you guys. It's so hard being young and having the mind of a creative. Because I feel like when you have the mind of a creative, a lot of people try to shut you out and quiet you, like silence you. And I feel like those are the people that wish that they had what you had going on, but they don't. I'm going to use Sacha Buttercup setting powder to set all the areas of my face. I definitely want to also like get to 1K. That was a goal that I've been saying for so many years, and for once in my life, other than graduating hair school, I'm about to hit a goal that I really want, and I'm almost at 1K on YouTube. But I also want to monetize my account. You guys know that they put those rules in place about monetizing your account now. You have to have 1,000 subscribers as well as 4,000 watch hours, not minutes, hours. I feel like a lot of people get that mixed up. I'm very close with that too, so I'm not really, you know, stressing. But 1K subscribers has always just been like a goal of mine, and I'm so close. I think when that day comes, you guys, I'm honestly just gonna cry, because I'm just gonna be so happy. Because a lot of people get on YouTube for the money, which of course, you know, I do want to be paid for what I'm doing, you know, for creating content. But when I tell you guys I love YouTubing, like, I love creating content. I love the fact that I can build an audience for people that really like me for me. And it's just such an amazing feeling. I don't understand how people get up here seriously only for the coin. Like, I can honestly say, if this was my job, I would seriously love my job. So I'm putting that into fruition as well. I'm gonna monetize my account very soon. I went ahead and did my eyes off camera. All I did was add lashes on my eyes. Literally, I didn't even do eyeshadow. I just did setting powder and then a shadow the color of my skin tone. Added some new eyeliner, like the NYX Wonder Pencil, to my waterline, and some lashes from Ardell. So I'm gonna just go ahead and do some blush. So this is a goal that I'm not even gonna speak that into the universe, because you never know what could happen, but it's more of a long-term goal. I do want my face on an ad in Sephora. I want an ad so bad, or either Ulta. I like Ulta's values better than Sephora. But I don't know, I just want my face on a makeup brand. I want to be able to work with a makeup brand too that really likes me for me and doesn't see me as just a dollar sign. I would love to work with Fenty, Milk Cosmetics, not Milk Cosmetics, Milk Makeup. I would love to work with Elf, Anastasia Beverly Hills. Oh my god, I have so many brands I would just love to work with. Honestly, this year I'm just hoping to get a repost on Instagram. That's one thing in itself. Capturing the brand's attention is literally one of the hardest things ever. This is the Laura Geller Gilded Honey highlighter. This is like my favorite highlighter ever. For my lips, I'm just going to do brown lip liner. This lipstick by Morphe that you guys know is my favorite. It's the Honey lipstick. Just a plain nude color. And then I'm going to add the Ulta Tinted Juice lip oil in the shade Baby Pink. My very last goal that I want to reach, I want to be able to just change lives. I want to be able to touch the next person's heart and change their life. Like, I want to be the Jackie Aina, not my generation because she's not even that old, but I want to be the Jackie Aina of my genre, even though we both do beauty. Like, Jackie Aina is definitely girly. She's girly. Like, I'm more go with the flow, alternative, very, I don't know, that's just one word that I just love describing myself as, is alternative. Like, I'm the alternative. Like, I low-key thought about that as a brand name, the alternative black girl, but I feel like that'd be a cute YouTube name. Don't nobody steal that, okay? I want $5. But yeah, I definitely want to be the Jackie Aina of my subgenre, because she helps so many people and I admire her literally so much, and I just feel like I can do it, you know. Well, you guys, that concludes my influencer goals. This is the end phase. This is just honestly my regular everyday beat. I love this beat. It just makes me look so baby doll like and so beautiful. But I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps me out a lot. And remember, you guys, stay furious. Bye.